Jesus freak here. Now, ever since I got this phone and it updated to Android 11, and for some reason the chat program on my phone just always kept losing connection if it wasn't in the front when I shut the phone off. I thought that was just, something that I had to live with. So my phone just updated itself to Android 12. And now the program started dying after 3 minutes no matter what was in the front, even if it was in the front. I mentioned it in my chat room, and one of my friends pointed out that there was a setting I was missing in Android that would fix that. Now, he gave me a screenshot, and it didn't look anything like it looked like in mine, but he was able to at least point me in the right direction. So I had to, I went into the settings. Okay, what did this thing secretly install on me again? I'll deal with that afterwards. Oh. I hate how this thing every so often will install something surreptitiously on the phone. Anyway, I go into settings. Apps. Android IRC. And then click battery. And it shows me this. Now, originally it was set to optimized. And that setting was, caused the behavior I'd been seeing. So I set it to unrestricted. And it's no longer acting up like it was. See, a lot of these chat systems, Slack, Discord, they're stateful. They store the current environment of the chat room on the server in full, along with the backlog. IRC was created in 1988, and it leaves all that stuff to the client because, well, that was just normal then, because in those days, it had to be something that would work well on a slow connection. We're talking 9.6 kilobits per second when my own connection is 200 megabits. So, it was designed around the needs of the time. And constantly losing connection with something like Discord or Slack, it's no big deal, because the server will catch you up. But with IRC, it is a big deal. And I didn't realize this was, an OS level setting and not just the way things are. Anyway, it's fixed now. Jesus, freak out.